What up, dudes? So, if you want to learn about e-commerce or dropshipping, so you are on the right profile. I'm gonna teach you what I have learned so far over the 5 years of experience in dropshipping on eBay, Amazon, and Shopify. And right now, I'm going more on Postmark and other platforms as well. So, in the beginning, if you want to learn about it, you have to change about your perspective from the beginning. Like, so today I'm gonna teach you about ABC of the dropshipping and e-commerce. So get ready for it. It's gonna change a lot, and so you're gonna learn a lot after this video, and so many things will you will discover after this video, and you will have to research. You will have data to research about something. So grab your pen and paper with you to get some notes, and we will see you in the next video. All have learned so far: A for apple, B for ball, and C for cat. So let's transform that and learn something new in the dropshipping business. A for Amazon. So it's not Apple anymore. Amazon is the largest e-commerce site on the planet, and his owner is the wealthiest man on the planet. So we don't forget that. A for Amazon, B for Banggood. It is actually a China's website from where you can dropship products. C for customer service. Like in dropshipping, you must have a good customer service where you can answer uh, uh, buyers' questions, and anything regarding to the customer service. You have to communicate through customer service in the dropshipping e-commerce business. Description. So every listing have own description where you can add details about the product and some specifications of the product. It's called description. It must have to be good, and keyword research. You must have to research keywords for the description as well. eBay is a retailer website, and it is really huge, and right now they are actually upgrading their platform. So it is one of the most crucial for resellers mostly. So many people are becoming millionaire from eBay. And F stand for fast delivery. Like the US people and most international people who have these platforms available, they need fast delivery. Okay, so they don't have time to wait for product like months. They need the optimal time is 1 week. They can wait for any product. Graphics. You must have to work on your graphics because it will help a lot. You can add graphics to your description. The next is Home Depot. Home Depot is one of the best suppliers right now. So many people are using it and making so much money. You can, like, by its name you can get a sense about it's mostly related to Home Depot and industrial stuff as well. A really good supplier. I really like it. And the next thing is images. So in order to create a listing, you must have to like take some beautiful pictures about the product and rename them to like more optimization, so it will rank better in eBay, Amazon, and any other platform in the search result. Jungle Scout. It's a tool we use for Amazon, especially for Amazon FBA, because we need to research in the market and what's trending on Amazon, and what kind of keywords people are using for that specific product. And K for kilogram. So kilogram, like if you are dropshipping, so in the shipping process, the kg is these kilograms, the weight of the product matters a lot, because as after 1 kilogram the prices may change, and it's all about the weight of it. So it's one of the most important thing while shipping or listing your product. L stand for listing. So where we show the customer who we are selling this product, it's called listing. And MPN stands for manufacturer part number, and it is unique for each product. And for national or international, like you must have to tell your customer that this listing is national wise, and the other countries seller cannot purchase it, and international means other countries customer can see your product and they can purchase it by giving you the shipping cost. Over order, like why we made the whole store and e-commerce business to get orders. So orders is one of the most crucial thing. Purchase, P for purchasing, it's on the buyer's end, like what buyer sees and he took action on an e-commerce platform. It's called purchasing. So Q stands for quality. So lot of people think that the more listing we upload on the platform, the more customer we will get. No, that's not the case. I actually sold I listed 3 products, and one of them sold in first 24 hours when I started managing that store. So it's all about the quality that matters, that will grab people's attention, and they will purchase more from you again and again. So in the Race Media, we also just take care, look forward to giving quality service to our clients. So we have small amount of clients, but those clients are actually working for long-term position with us, all because of quality. And return means if customer you send the item to the customer and he don't like it, you must have to handle the return as well. As for supplier is supplier is a website or industry from where you can like you can get the products and sell them on your store. Title plays a very important role in the listing as well, because if your title and your selected keywords are good, you will appear in search results more often when a buyer search for a specific thing. U stands for UPC, and it means Universal Product Code. So each item must have a UPC code, so it can be identified from globally, so from anywhere. So yeah, that's UPC. V stands for VA, and VA means virtual assistant. Like your drop shipping or e-commerce store is growing, so now you alone cannot handle that. You must have you must have a VA who can help you with. So the Race Media is actually doing this stuff to handle your e-commerce and dropshipping store. So don't forget to reach out to us. W stands for Walmart. It's actually a very good supplier. We are taking so many products from Walmart as well. X stands for Christmas, because in the Christmas the selling goes really up. People save. People are buying stuff from that money which they save from whole year. So yeah, that's a really great event. Y stands for Yably. Yably is a tool where you can link your eBay store, and it will help you to list products and order processing and all the stuff. Z stands for ZenMate. We actually use that for our client, because especially for eBay, because it is really strict now, and we really need to use VPN to show our IP to show our IP in US. So yeah, that's the whole EBC for e-commerce, and especially for dropshipping. So if you learned something new today, give this video a like and share it with others and spread the knowledge. And don't forget to check our other videos on Race Media.